Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Anna. I am your English teacher. I am happy you are here today.
Hi everyone, I am Mark. I am the learner. I am ready to learn English with you.
Today, we have a very important topic. We will talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Train your brain? That sounds interesting.
Yes, Mark, very interesting and very important. If you want to speak English, you must train your brain.
Like training a muscle?
Yes, exactly like training a muscle. Your brain is like a muscle. If you use it every day, it becomes strong. If you do not use it, it becomes weak.
So if I want to speak English well, I must use my brain in English every day?
Yes, every day, little by little. Small steps, small practice, every day.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but you must do it every day. Part 1. Think in English. The first step to train your brain is this. Think in English.
Think in English? I usually think in my language, then I translate.
Yes, many learners do that. They think in their language, then they translate to English. This is slow, very slow.
Yes, it takes time. I feel nervous.
That is normal, but today we will change this. We will teach your brain to think in English.
How can I do that?
Start small, very small. Do not think big sentences, think small sentences.
Like what?
For example, you wake up in the morning, you open your eyes, you can say in your mind, I am awake.
I am awake.
Good. Then you stand up, you say, I stand up.
I stand up.
You go to the bathroom, you say, I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Very good. Small sentences, simple sentences. Now, listener, it is your turn. Repeat in your mind. I wake up. I stand up. I go to the bathroom.
This is easy.
Yes, easy is good. Easy helps your brain feel safe.
Safe?
Yes, if something is too difficult, your brain feels stress. Stress is not good for learning.
So simple English is good English.
Yes, simple English is powerful English. Step 2. Speak alone.
Speak alone?
Yes, do not wait for other people. You can speak English alone in your room.
But I feel silly.
That is okay. It is normal. But remember, you are training your brain.
What can I say when I am alone?
Talk about your day. For example, I am cooking. I am washing dishes. I am walking.
I am walking.
Good. Say it again.
I am walking.
Again.
I am walking.
Very good. Repetition is important.
Why is repetition important?
Because repetition builds memory. When you repeat words, your brain remembers them. Listener, repeat after me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English.
I feel more confident when I repeat.
Yes, repetition gives confidence. Confidence helps you speak. Part 3. Learn phrases, not only words.
What is a phrase?
A phrase is a small group of words. For example, how are you?
That is a phrase.
Yes, do not learn only the word how or are or you. Learn the full phrase. How are you?
Why?
Because when you speak, you use phrases, not single words.
That makes sense.
Another example, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Again,
Nice to meet you.
good. Your brain remembers the whole phrase, then you speak faster. Listener, repeat. How are you? Nice to meet you. See you later.
So my brain stores phrases like small packages.
Yes, small packages of language. Step 4. Listen to English every day.
Even if I do not understand everything?
Yes, that is very important. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen.
Why?
Because your brain learns sounds. Your brain learns rhythm. Your brain learns music. English has music.
English has music?
Yes, every language has music. Listen to simple podcasts. Listen to slow English. Listen every day.
How many minutes?
Start with 10 minutes. 10 minutes every day.
10 minutes is not too much.
No, small steps every day. Listener, ask yourself, do I listen every day? If not, start today. Just 10 minutes. Step 5. Do not fear mistakes.
I am afraid of mistakes.
Many people are afraid, but mistakes are your teacher.
My mistakes are my teacher?
Yes, when you make a mistake, you learn.
So mistakes are good?
Yes, mistakes are good. Say it with me. Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Again,
Mistakes help me learn.
listener, repeat. I am not afraid. I can speak. I can learn.
I feel stronger when I say that.
Good. Your brain listens to your words. Speak positive words. Now we will practice training your brain with questions.
Okay.
I will ask you a simple question. You answer fast. Do not translate, just answer.
I will try.
What is your name?
My name is Mark.
Good. Where do you live?
I live in a city.
Good. What do you like?
I like coffee.
Very good. You answered fast.
Yes, I did not translate.
That is training. Fast and simple answers. Listener, now your turn. Answer in English. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you like? Good job. Part 7. Shadowing practice. Now we try something called shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time, like a shadow. That sounds difficult. At first, yes, but we go slowly. Repeat with me at the same time. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I want to speak clearly. I want to speak clearly. I train my brain. I train my brain. Good. Shadowing makes your brain faster. Now we try something called shadowing.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time, like a shadow.
That sounds difficult.
At first, yes, but we go slowly. Repeat with me at the same time. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I want to speak clearly.
I want to speak clearly.
I train my brain.
I train my brain.
Good. Shadowing makes your brain faster. Now, let us talk about habit.
Habit means something we do every day,
Yes, learning English must be a habit.
like brushing my teeth.
Yes, you brush your teeth every day. You must train your brain every day.
Even 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. Listener, say, every day I practice. Every day I practice. Now, Mark, tell me about your day. Simple sentences.
Okay. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work. I come home. I watch TV.
Very good. Simple, clear.
It is not perfect.
It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be real. Listener, talk about your day now. Use simple sentences. Now let us review.
Yes, review helps memory.
Step 1. Think in English.
Small sentences.
Step 2. Speak alone.
Every day.
Step 3. Learn phrases.
Not only words.
Step 4. Listen every day.
Even 10 minutes.
Step 5. Do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
Step 6. Answer simple questions fast.
No translation.
Step 7. Shadowing practice.
Speak and listen at the same time.
Step 8. Build a daily habit.
Small steps every day.
Step 9. Speak about your real life.
Use simple English.
Very good. Listener, remember, you can learn, you can speak, you can train your brain.
I feel motivated.
Good. Keep practicing. Small steps, every day.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Mark. And thank you, dear listener. See you next time. Keep training your brain. Keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.